1. Unique nose prints. Just like human fingerprints, a dog's nose print is unique to each individual. This uniqueness can be used for identification purposes. In fact, some organizations have started using nose prints as a form of identification for lost dogs, similar to how microchips are used. 2. Superior sense of smell. Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell due to the high number of olfactory receptors in their noses. While humans have about 6 million olfactory receptors, dogs have up to 300 million. This allows them to detect scents at incredibly low concentrations, making them excellent at tasks like tracking and detection. 3. Wet noses for better smelling. The moisture on a dog's nose helps to capture scent particles from the air. This wetness is produced by mucus inside the nostrils and helps dissolve these particles, making it easier for the dog to analyze them. This is why a healthy dog often has a cool, wet nose. 4. The Jacobson's organ. Also known as the vomeronasal organ, Jacobson's organ is located on the roof of a dog's mouth. It is specifically designed to detect pheromones, which are chemicals that carry information about other animals, such as their reproductive status or territorial boundaries. This organ plays a crucial role in social interactions among dogs. 5. Sniffing out health issues. Dogs' ability to detect health issues is being increasingly recognized in the medical field. They can be trained to detect various types of cancer, such as prostate and breast cancer, by smelling volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that are released by cancer cells. Dogs have also been trained to alert their owners to impending diabetic episodes or epileptic seizures. 6. Nose temperature. A dog's nose can vary in temperature. While a cold, wet nose is often a sign of good health, a dry or warm nose doesn't necessarily indicate illness. Factors such as the environment, activity level, and even sleep can affect the temperature and moisture of a dog's nose. 7. Breathing and smelling simultaneously. Dogs have a unique nasal structure that allows them to breathe and smell at the same time. When a dog inhales, a fold of tissue just inside the nostril helps separate the airflow into two paths, one for respiration and one for olfaction. This means they can continue to analyze scents even while they are breathing. 8. The role of whiskers. Whiskers, or vibrissae, around a dog's nose are highly sensitive tactile hairs that help them navigate their environment. These whiskers can detect subtle changes in air currents, which helps dogs sense nearby objects, even in the dark. This is particularly useful for hunting and exploring. 9. Nose color changes. A dog's nose can change color due to various factors. For example, some dogs experience snow nose or winter nose, where their nose turns pink in cold weather. This is usually temporary and harmless. Other causes of nose color change can include aging, injury, or certain health conditions. 10. The power of sniffing. When dogs sniff, they are not just inhaling air, they are actively analyzing scent particles. Each sniff brings in new information about their surroundings, such as the presence of other animals, food, or potential threats. This ability makes them excellent at tasks like search and rescue, detection work, and hunting. 11. Scent memory. Dogs have an incredible scent memory, which allows them to remember and recognize specific smells for a long time. This ability helps them identify familiar people, places, and other animals. It also plays a role in their ability to track scents over long distances. 12. The nose emotions. Dogs can detect human emotions through changes in our body chemistry. For example, when we are stressed or anxious, our bodies release different chemicals that dogs can smell. This ability helps them respond to our emotional states and provide comfort when needed. 13. Tracking skills. Dogs' tracking abilities are legendary. They can follow a scent trail over long distances and through various terrains, including water. This makes them invaluable in search and rescue operations, as well as in hunting and law enforcement. 14. The nose and taste. A dog's sense of smell is closely linked to their sense of taste. They rely on their noses to help them decide what to eat. This is why dogs often sniff their food before eating it. Their strong sense of smell also helps them detect spoiled or harmful food. 15. Nose work as a sport. Nose work is a sport that involves training dogs to use their natural scenting abilities to locate specific scents. This sport provides mental stimulation and physical exercise for dogs, and it can be a fun and rewarding activity for both dogs and their owners.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.